Welcome to Zeo. I'll show you how to sign up for Zeo Route Planner. Enter your email and hit continue. Create a secure password of your choice. After creating the password, hit the continue button. Make sure to create a strong password. Once that's done, you'll immediately be prompted to verify your email. So, check your inbox. Zeo has sent you a 6-digit verification code. Copy it, paste it into the box, and click Verify Now. Zeo will verify your email. Congrats, you've unlocked your 7-day free trial. That means you get full access to Zeo's premium features, all without spending a dollar. Now let's set up your workspace. Start by filling details like entering your name, your company name, and your phone number. Choose your industry from the drop-down list: logistics, retail, services, whatever fits your business. Once everything looks good, click Continue. You'll now receive a text message with a phone verification code. Enter the code into the box. And after entering it, hit the Verify Now button. Now on the next step, enter your store address. This could be your dispatch location or warehouse. Give it a nickname so it's easy to identify later. Something like Main Hub or City Depot or anything you like, and save the store. Once you are done saving your store, the next step is to fill driver details. Now, fill in your driver's email address, their name, and their phone number. Once done, click the Add Driver button. That's it. But what if you have multiple drivers? No worries. Zeo makes bulk upload a breeze. Click on Browse File and select your Excel or CSV file containing driver details. If you're not sure what format to use, just click Download Sample File. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be asked to map the fields, matching your columns with Zeo's required fields like name, phone number, and email. Confirm it and hit Continue. Next, it's time to upload your delivery stops. Again, click Browse File and upload your stop list. And yep, the Download Sample File button is your reference if you're unsure what format to follow. Just download, fill it out, and upload. After uploading, Zeo will prompt you to confirm the field mapping, then hit Submit. After that, click Let's Continue to begin planning. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a progress checklist. It'll guide you through what's left to do. You'll now see all the stops you just uploaded on the left side like a list. Click Select All to include all stops. Now click on Auto Optimize. Next, select as many drivers as you want to from the list, and click Assign Driver. Next up on your screen, you can fill in information like start and end locations and your start and end dates. Once you are happy with everything, click Save and Optimize. And that's it. You have successfully created your first optimized delivery route on Zeo. It's fast, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. Make the most out of your free trial, and if you need help at any point, our support team is just a click away. Thank you for watching, and happy roading with Zeo.